Gandhi Jayanti, celebrating the legacy of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi Jayanti, celebrated on October 2nd each year, marks the birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, affectionately known as Mahatma Gandhi, a prominent leader in the Indian independence movement. Gandhi's principles of non-violence, truth, and civil disobedience have left an indelible mark on the world. This day not only honors his legacy but also serves as a reminder of the values he championed. The life and philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi, born on October 2, 1869, in Porbandar, Gujarat, Gandhi grew up in a relatively privileged family. His early education in law in London exposed him to various philosophical ideas, including the teachings of Henry David Thoreau and Leo Tolstoy, which greatly influenced his thoughts on non-violence and social justice. Gandhi's journey towards becoming a leader of the Indian independence movement began in South Africa, where he fought against racial discrimination. His experiences there led him to develop the concept of satyagraha, or the force of truth, which became the cornerstone of his approach to social and political activism. The significance of non-violence. One of Gandhi's most significant contributions to humanity is his unwavering commitment to non-violence. He believed that true strength lies in the ability to endure suffering without retaliating. This philosophy not only played a crucial role in India's struggle for independence from British rule but also inspired civil rights movements worldwide. Figures like Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela drew from Gandhi's principles in their own quests for justice and equality. The nonviolent approach advocated by Gandhi demonstrated that change could be achieved without resorting to violence. A lesson that remains relevant today as societies continue to grapple with conflict and injustice. Gandhi Jayanti celebrations. Gandhi Jayanti is observed across India and in various countries around the world. The day typically begins with prayers and memorial services at Gandhi's Samadhi Memorial at Rajghat in New Delhi, where dignitaries, political leaders, and citizens gather to pay their respects. The Prime Minister of India often leads the ceremonies, reflecting on Gandhi's teachings and their relevance in contemporary society. Educational institutions and organizations commemorate the day by organizing discussions, debates, and activities focused on Gandhi's life and philosophy. Students participate in essays, art competitions, and plays that highlight his contributions to the freedom struggle and his vision for a just society. In many cities, cleanliness drives and community service activities are organized to honor Gandhi's belief in the importance of sanitation and social responsibility. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India Mission, launched by the Indian government, is a tribute to Gandhi's emphasis on cleanliness and public health. A day of reflection and action, while Gandhi Jayanti is a day of remembrance. It is also an opportunity for reflection on how Gandhi's teachings can be applied in today's world. Issues such as environmental sustainability, social inequality, and human rights are areas where his principles of non-violence and truth can guide actions. For instance, The environmental movement can draw inspiration from Gandhi's belief in living harmoniously with nature. His famous quote, "The earth has enough for everyone's needs, but not enough for everyone's greed," resonates in discussions about climate change and sustainable living. Moreover, in a world often characterized by division and conflict, Gandhi's call for understanding and dialogue remains pertinent. His idea of Sarvodaya, or the welfare of all, advocates for an inclusive society where every individual's rights and dignity are respected. Global recognition. Gandhi's impact transcends national borders. The United Nations declared October 2nd as the International Day of Non-Violence in 2007, acknowledging Gandhi's influence on global peace movements. This day serves as a platform for promoting non-violence and understanding among cultures and communities, echoing Gandhi's vision for a peaceful world. International organizations, schools, and communities engage in activities that promote peace, tolerance, and respect for diversity on this day. By observing this day, the global community pays homage to the principles that Gandhi lived by, reinforcing the notion that non-violence is a powerful tool for social change. Conclusion. Gandhi Jayanti is more than just a celebration of Mahatma Gandhi's life. It is a reaffirmation of the values he stood for. In a time when the